Guys, and this is a new tutorial about the Snapchat app. Right now I will show you how to delete your own sticker on this app. Let's go to the bot chain. So let's open the Snapchat. Right now I will create a new story after tapping on the central button to show you how to delete your newly created or an old one sticker from your sticker pack. Let's check it. So we need to tap on this third option at the right side of the screen, and let's tap on your own sticker pack. So I will need to tap on this icon here, and as an example too, I want to disable to remove this sticker. Let's hold it on and drag it to the trash bar at the top. Well done. As you can see right now we don't have this old sticker, and we actually can create a new one. So guys, if you want to know how to create such a cool stickers, you can check our another video which is published on our channel right now, and you can smoothly learn how to create such as funny stickers to create a new cool stories on the Snapchat application. But right now you know how to delete some stickers from your sticker pack. Don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool tricks about this app and other programs. So goodbye guys, have a nice day!